Hey guys, we received this Dodoelephant RC car to test and try. So this one is a 1:24 scale with a four-wheel drive high-speed remote control car with LED lights. So this operates on 2.4 gigahertz, non-disruptive, rechargeable batteries, also is 360-degree drifting. So I will show you like one by one everything. And this is like a very secure packing. So let me just unbox first, and these are the accessory packs. So there are two accessory packs with it. These are the additional tires like for the speeding thing, and the one tires are there for the drifting. So there are two sets of tire here, and the upper body of this car is a PVC shell. So these are the second accessory box with additional battery, screwdriver and everything. For charging you have to put it in this USB and thus charge like this. um, Once charged, you can put it in the car, and this remote control requires additional two AA batteries. Let me just take out all this protective stuff, put the battery inside. So one battery is already in the car, and one is additional battery. So you can have two car batteries. So you can charge one, use one, and something like that. So just I'm making the battery connection here so I can start the car. And the PVC shell actually is more durable because it don't break that easily, so you can have more fun. So let me start this car, and you can see all these colorful LED lights, and then put the batteries into the remote, and it's all set. So you can see the tires with this remote as a drifting remote, and it's a four-wheel drive thing. So let's try this. So right now it's have the drifting wheels on it, which are smooth. So you can see it here. So it goes really fast, and the speed is good based on a small factor, but still I can see the drift here. So this is the drifting thing that goes with the car, and because these are the drifting wheels. So you can change the wheels to the racing ones. You have to just take it out and change this for wheels with the other supplied four wheels. So the switching is pretty easy as well. Just use the supplied screwdriver and screws and the supplied tires, and then you are done. So I put all these four tires, and these are also there are safety thing that comes with it a pack as accessories. We can just put in here, and now there is no drifting. The speed car like it will be like a speed car. So it's a pretty nice toy for the kids and a gift for the boys.